What's up YouTube? After several teasers, Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi today unveiled the Redmi K30 and K30 5G. One of the main highlights of this device is having the Snapdragon new processor, which is Snapdragon 765G present inside, and the other main highlight of this device is having a 64 megapixel of quad camera setup on the back side and 120 Hz of refresh rate, and having a 5G device in such a low price are one of the key highlights of this device. Personally, my favorite one is having a 120 Hz refresh rate present inside the device is awesome. The Redmi K30 5G is the first smartphone powered by Snapdragon 765G, which brings in 5G connectivity to the device, making it first Redmi smartphone to support the next generation network. So there are few videos leaks for this device, and so if we look at the physical overview of the device, on the top of the device we are seeing an IR blaster and a secondary noise cancellation mic. On the bottom of the device we will see a 3.5mm headphone jack, a Type-C port, a primary noise cancellation mic and a speaker grill. On the right side of the device, well, we have the fingerprint scanner and power button. Both are present on the same button, and also we have a volume up and down button. Well, on the front of the device we have a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display, which is coming with 120 Hz of refresh rate. The front is also protected with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and the screen to body ratio is of 84.8%. There is also a screen cutout present for the dual selfie camera. And talking about the camera, well, the front of the device has a 20 megapixel of main camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor selfie camera present on the front of the device. On the back of the device we have a quad camera setup where the main camera is of 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel of ultra wide angle, 2 megapixel of macro lens and a 2 megapixel of depth sensor. There is also an LED flashlight present on the back side, and the camera position is in vertical shape. Next, if we talk about the memory of this device, well, the device is coming in 4 different variants: the 6GB and 64GB storage, 6GB and 128GB storage, 8GB and 128GB storage, and 8GB and 256GB of internal storage. Next, if we talk about the processor, well, the processor which is coming inside the Redmi K30 5G will be Snapdragon 765G, and it is based on 7nm architecture, and this processor is one of the latest processor from Snapdragon. Next in the list is the software. Redmi K30 5G will be running on Android 10 out of the box, and the skin which is present on the front of the device will be MIUI 11. In terms of battery, it is coming with the massive 4500 mAh of a battery, and along with that it is coming with a 30-watt fast charger. And the last thing is the price of this device. Well, this device is only available right now in China, and its price is around 220 euros. The Redmi K30 5G will be available for purchase in China in January 2020, but the K30 will go sale on December the 12th. There is no word on the availability of K30 series in the other markets right now. So overall, if we look at the device, the main highlight of this device is 120 Hz refresh rate and massive 4500 mAh of a battery, and along with it is coming with 5G. It has such a low price in 5G that on this price you will get one of the most awesome deals. So this device has all things: the latest processor, the high quality RAM, 120 Hz refresh rate, high-end battery and a high-end charger inside, and this device is a flagship killer. So guys, what do you think about this K30 5G variant? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel so you can get notified for every new video I upload. So thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.